Okay, welcome back. This slot is not going to 3D print well. I might be able to explain that in class later, because we've got these overhanging bits here. So we're actually going to create what's called a chamfer to make it easy for 3D printing. Now this can be tricky because it's hard to see what we have to chamfer. I'll do my best to explain, but first let's look for the chamfer tool. It should be in the top toolbar. It says chamfer, C-H-A-M-F-E-R. It's not S-H, it's C-H. Chamfer tool. We can set its distance now to 1.5. Now we need to go and select some edges. Now zoom right in here. This little top edge that's underneath the top of the slot, we need to select that. So we select that, and it's giving us a preview of what it's going to do. Okay, that one's relatively easy. This is good to use the orbit tool, so the right click, and we're also going to select this one. Those two are easy. However, we also need to select, there is an edge up in there. It's hard to see, it's hard to find, get into a position where you can see it. I'll show you a little trick. Yeah, it's a little edge that'll join the end of that orange to the end of that orange. So we're going to go down to, in this viewing toolbar, the one that says shaded with edges, it's got a tick. It'll open up to the side, then go down and select translucent. Alright, so I've made it translucent, and I'll try and get in a position so you can see. I can see it just here, a little tiny edge, and over here. I've been using my right click to orbit around to see things. If that's not working for you, you could use the arrows on the view cube until you get it in the position where you can see the edge. Alright, I can kind of see it there, and hover over, it'll go orange. Just try and make sure that your orange line that you're about to click lines up with those other two that we originally selected, and click to select it. I'll just zoom out and not hover over it. We should see orange line that loops around 3 places, and we should only see 3 things selected over here. And I'm going to tick. Now let's go back to the normal view. So now we go down to translucent and select shaded with edges when the little sidebar comes up. And I'm also going to go back to the default view. And we hopefully will see, it's got a little chamfer under there now that runs around 3 edges, and you should be able to see that shape at the front. This is a tricky thing to do because it's hard to see. So remember, use the undo tool if you have to.